even the kinds of breakthroughs that we had in recent years, the mRNA vaccines. And again, the sort of the polemical version I have is, why can't we have a ticker tape parade for the scientists who invented the mRNA vaccine? And well, else we don't celebrate individuals. That's too dangerous in the 21st century, so we no longer have ticker tape parades for individuals. But I think the deeper reason is people are really uncomfortable with the mRNA vaccine because it is, it's very adjacent. It's one toggle switch away from this thing that was going on at the Wuhan lab called gain-of-function research, which we suspect is sort of an Orwellian word for a bioweapons program. And then this is, and so it's again, there are these things that could potentially be big breakthroughs. So many of them are adjacent to something that is quite dystopian. I used to love science fiction. It is, and I think it would be sort of an interesting survey course that one could do on trying to understand why it is all so drably dystopian at this point. I mean, there's still, maybe you can do the retro Star Trek stuff from the 60s, but anything that's been published in the last 40 years, it just sort of shows this futuristic world where nothing works. And the question you have to ask is this a deep law of nature? Is this a deep truth that if there is more progress, things will just break down? Or is it somehow a reflection of this very dystopian culture we're in, where we just can't imagine anything getting better? Now, I think